everyone, welcome to a new week of what I am wearing. So today is Sunday after daylight savings time, and I had a wonderful sleep last night. I think I woke up at 5 a.m. the new time, and I said, it's still too early, and I went back to sleep, and I slept to like 6:45. I came downstairs, slept on the magic couch a couple hours, and yeah, I feel great. This is probably the best sleep that I've gotten in months. So other than that, I'm putzing around the house, did my laundry, watching some YouTube, and what am I wearing today and what am I doing? I'm actually going to meet a friend down in South Jersey, and it will be my first time meeting her husband, and I'm tagging my husband along because we're all going on a cruise together in March. So we kind of wanted to get the husbands together to meet, so maybe they can hang out together on the cruise, just to get to know each other a little bit better. So I'm pretty excited about that. It is a gorgeous sunny day. This is the first dry weekend I think we've had in 9 weekends. It's just absolutely incredible. So what am I wearing for this? I chose this outfit. It's from the sweater is from Loft. The skirt is from Stitch Fix. The skirt is by Vero Moda. I saw this on Freestyle last year. I had to have it. I think I wore this for Thanksgiving last year. It's like, really honestly, this is more of like a winter outfit, I think, than a fall, but I wanted to wear it today. It has the royal blue, black, tan in the skirt, and some cream. And because the cream runs through the black and the plaid, you could probably get away wearing this with black, gray, tan, and this blue, all right? With it, I have paired my Dolce Vita boots, knee-high boots that I got this fall. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday, start of a new week. I have a lot to do this week, and I'm hoping people leave me alone so I can just do my work. So what am I doing today? Went up to the gym. The workout was, I think, one of the more easier ones that we've had in a while. Came home, took care of the bunny, leisurely ate my breakfast, took a nice shower, got dressed. Here I am, and I still have about 25 minutes to spare before I have to actually be on the computer. So I'm doing well today. What did I decide to wear? I kind of wanted to be kind of comfortable today, so I'm wearing this long sleeve, very fine knit sweater from Loft. It is like a mustard, but when mustard's mixed with white or black or something, that doesn't bother me. I just don't care for the full-on mustard on my complexion. It's just a little bit too much. I like pale yellow. I like sunshine yellow, but like that mustard kind of on me just kind of like makes me look sickly. But with a little bit of white mixed in, it doesn't bother me. I'm wearing my sepia jacket with it, which kind of brings out that mustardish kind of color. And I'm wearing my cut from the cloth jeans with these patch pockets on an angle here in front. These are cute jeans. There is distressing at the knee. That does not bother me, just the one knee. They are a little bit long for me. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm wearing my clogs with it. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. Pretty comfortable and casual. Day from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday. Went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, ate my breakfast, took my shower. Here I am. It's almost going to be 70 degrees today, so I decided to wear this adorable sweater from Ever Eve. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see it's like a peach and a mauve, and it's like textured like a basket weave. I don't know if you can see that or not. So cute. It's a cardigan type of style that you can also wear as a top. I did a little bit of a front tuck because it kind of looks wonky when I don't. I paired them with my cut from the cloth split hem jeans. Hopefully you can see that. And I have on my Sanctuary shoes. So I wanted to wear this sweater one more time before it got too cold to wear it. And because it was going to be 70 degrees or close to it today, I decided to wear it. Because I would say this, kind of like the other the lady jacket that I wore from Loft, they're more of a spring item, but I wanted to get them in before the season got really out of date. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and it was a rest day for me today. So no gym, took care of the bunny, showered, and jumped right on the computer. It is now the middle of the afternoon because it's the first time I got a chance to film because I hung around in bed a little bit too long. So what am I wearing today? So I am wearing this loft sweater that I probably got 2018-19. It's burgundy in color. It has the cowl neck. From what I understand, cowl necks are out. Oh well. I understand that too, that tunic length is out. I originally got this to wear with leggings, so this is tunic length, and I kind of tucked it in and then bloused it up. I'm also wearing it with this dated pendant necklace. I felt my outfit needed something to elongate me. I thought it was too plain in front. So yes, my entire outfit's dated today, and I don't care because I actually like this outfit. Something different, I decided to wear it with the skirt. This is a skirt I got from Sanctuary. I got it at Macy's, like on sale for like $30. It's just a leopard print. So I think burgundy and leopard go, as well as olive and leopard. So all the neutrals I think go with this. And I'm wearing it with my black boots. I believe these are by Steve Madden. I think I incorrectly said Dolce Vita, but I do believe these are Steve Madden boots. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day's styling. Hi everybody, today is Thursday, but it certainly feels like Friday. This week is just taking forever to finish. So today I went to the gym and the music broke. We literally had a full running, or 2 long running blocks without any break with no music. It was hard. I was on the struggle bus big time this morning. I don't know if it was the lack of music to distract me or what, but I found it very challenging. So, what am I wearing today? Well, I decided to basically shop my closet. I am wearing a very good investment sweater. This top I got from Ever Eve from a Trendsend box. It's by French Connection. It's just a sleeveless oatmeal colored turtleneck. And, you know, probably when I got it like 2 years ago, you guys were like, why are you buying such a basic thing for so much money? This thing got its money's worth. I've worn this a lot the last 2 winters, and I'm obviously continuing to wear it again. It's just a basic, and it wears and washes well. Over the top of it, I have my new Sanctuary Satin Moto because I always get cold, so I always need that 3rd layer. And with it, I have, believe it or not, a pair of pants that were on the chopping block. I haven't worn these in a while. They're denim, they're by Loft, and they're like in a teal green color. I think I got them 2 years ago at Loft, and you know, they're the kick flare, all right? So they're not full length, and that is the only distressing around the hem. Other than that, there's no other distressing. And I guess because they were teal and whatnot, I just haven't worn them, and I wasn't quite sure about the way they fit, but I put them on this morning, and I'm like, oh, I like these. These are cute. So these are on the keeper pile. I'm telling you, I'm trying to weed down my closet and get rid of things I don't love anymore, and I'm finding I'm going back into that pile and pulling things back out again, saying, why am I getting rid of this? This is great. So be very careful before you purge. Maybe put it in a bag, put it to the side, but don't get rid of it yet, because you might find, wait a second, maybe I really do like this, or maybe this will go with something else, because that's what typically happens with me. And then I end up repurchasing something I just got rid of. So don't do that. Don't be like me. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Oh, I didn't tell you about my shoes, although you've seen these a million times. They're by Sanctuary. They're just a little low slide mule with like a twist here in front, very pointed toe. People said to me, aren't those uncomfortable? These are extremely comfortable. They're one of my most comfortable shoes that I own. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody. Today is Friday, and once again today I'm on the struggle bus. So I got up, went to the gym, had a very difficult workout this morning. I ate terribly over this past weekend, and I was cutting calories this whole week trying to make up for the weekend. I ended up being successful, but it's drained me, and I just don't seem to have my usual energy for the gym. So after the gym, came home, went to take care of the bunny, who trashed the basement today. I don't know what the heck is going on, but he poopied everywhere, and there was a lot for me to clean up this morning. So I also have my nutritionist appointment every Friday, so thus I was running late for that, and quickly then took a shower, threw on my clothes. First outfit I go to put on, had an enormous stain on the top of it. I'm like, what the heck? And I put it in my wash now. I'm not too convinced I'll be able to get that stain out. It's a sweater that I got from Loft last year in orange, and the back of it has this big black, what looks like a grease stain. I'm like, where did this come from? So I had a great outfit all planned. Obviously that changed. It was Pinterest look. So that changed, that threw that into the wash. And then I put on the next outfit. Now, the next outfit I grabbed, it was kind of like a comfy, cozy outfit. And I was debating whether or not the sweater, it was gonna go in the Goodwill pile or not, because I think it's too big for me. You know, I wasn't quite sure. I hadn't tried it on for a while. I said, let me try on the sweater. Mind you, I'm doing this on a day that I'm already running late because the bunny trashed the basement. Put on the sweater, look at myself in the mirror, and it's too big. I look terrible in it. It is just sloppy and overwhelming on me. So that is going to the Goodwill pile. It's a beautiful sweater too. It's from Loft from like probably 2015 or something, but it's a very generic sweater. I mean, it's beautiful, it's just way too big. So then next, what did I do? So finally, this is my third outfit. So 3 times is the charm. So what am I wearing? I'm wearing this Liverpool jacket that I got from a mix and match box years ago. It's like a very, very stretchy. I wouldn't even call it a denim blazer, but it's like a denim color and there's so much stretch to it. Very comfortable. I'm wearing it with a little cami underneath. I don't remember if I got this cami from Nordstrom or from Stitch Fix. It's by Socialite. And I'm wearing my Loft wide leg corduroy pants with my clogs. The wide leg corduroys I got from Loft in a regular size 0. I should have sized down to a 00. I'm regretting that I did not size down on these. Usually 00s are usually way, way too small. I mean, they're meant for somebody who's much smaller than me. And I typically don't even bother trying them because I know that they won't fit, but these run super generous. They're comfortable, that's for sure. So, well, this is my outfit for today. Hopefully the rest of the day doesn't go so crazy, but I did make it to my nutritionist on time, but with wet hair, came home, dried my hair, had my breakfast, and here I am. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and my last day of filming this week. And unfortunately, I don't think you're gonna get any other videos from me until next weekend. I've got nothing here to show you. My living room's clean, no packages are coming. What am I doing today? Well, it's already 12:30. It's a gorgeous, beautiful, blue sky, sunny day. Probably in the 50s. I went to the gym and just did a weight training class. And then from there, I went to the grocery store. Purchase things. My husband asked me to cook for him, which I don't really cook anymore. And the reason why is I don't eat the same things he eats and he doesn't eat the same things I eat. And anything that I would cook would be large leftovers and then he doesn't eat the leftovers. So he promised me he'd eat the things he asked me to cook them. So I made a sweet potato casserole with brown sugar and pecans on top with the crumb topping. I made a spinach casserole, which has cheese and egg and Lipton onion soup mix all mixed into a casserole. And I'm going to be making a meatloaf, but when I started making the meatloaf, I realized I forgot an onion because I usually don't cook and I usually don't have food at home anymore. So I'm going to run out to Target and Trader Joe's next to pick up a couple more things and to finish cooking for him. I also made all my peppers, and the kitchen was a disaster and I did all my pots and pans and cleaned the counter, and you know, the guys know this spiel. Finally took my shower and it's already 12:30. My day is like half over already. All right, so what am I wearing today? This is kind of an unusual outfit for me. It's not very on trend, and I was actually considering getting rid of the jeans. So first, I want to show you this line and dot sweater. If you like this sweater, Every Eve has them in different colors now. I got this from Every Eve or Trendsend, don't remember which, a couple years ago. It's navy blue, it's by Line and Dot. It's an off the shoulder, but as you can see, it's not completely off the shoulder, so I just pull my bra strap down on this side. I like that asymmetrical hemline without having to wear a strapless bra. With it, I'm wearing my skinny driftwood jeans, which have the embroidery here on the side. And I'll be honest, these jeans were going to be the last time I was going to wear them and put them in the Goodwill pile after this, after I washed them. But you know what? I think I'm gonna keep them. I really like the fit of these jeans. They're comfortable. They're skinny jeans, so I don't have to wear a heel with them. I am wearing my Gola sneakers because, like I said, I'm just hanging around the house and running around doing some errands today. And this is my outfit for today. Take care. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, give me a thumbs up, and you'll see me next week. Take care. Till next time.